happening, guys? We're Craig and Amy, and you are watching King Elite!
Believe it or not, the title of this video is correct. We're doing Primark Haul.
We're doing a Primark haul. Roped him in, didn't I? Well, we have to, because we're going to Bali in 9 days, not that we're counting or anything, and we needed some new garments, didn't we?
Well, Amy did, yeah. This is what happens. Amy's like, let's go to town. I need to pick up a hammer for my mum, and we'll just pop into Primark.
Just pop in. £200 later. Whoa!
Get straight into it. What have you got?
Oh, am I starting?
Well, we could be here all week with all your stuff.
I didn't buy too much, actually. I've been into Primark a few times over the last month, say, and I picked up little bits here and there, but obviously summer's coming. Congratulations, everyone. You know, so I've got like a summer range. Would you like to see? Okay, we'll start with this little number. Anything head that goes in your head, not gonna be able, actually you put it on, because I...
No.
Can you see your eyes? So I bought this little number.
This is the worst day of my life, by the way.
Hang on, where's the price?
It's £4.
Oh! The model here, Craig, tells you is £4. Now I only bought one pair of shoes, which is mad because they had so many.
What are they?
No!
You know when you break your arm and they give you that little weird foamy sling? They've just made a pair of shoes.
But they give it to you because it's comfortable, see? These are next level comfort.
They're munting.
I just thought that they were cool. I've got loads of little dresses.
How much?
Oh.
Come on, you need to be prepared for this.
Shit, how much were they? Okay, they were cheap. Okay, so I picked up this little number. Now, I'm not really one for like cute little girly tops. Like, I don't know what my style is, as you can tell. I just sort of pick up stuff and hope for the best. But this actually looks really cute on. And because we're going to Bali, and we've got our Instagram page, we kind of need to...
It's £4. Next.
Oh, obviously this one isn't going to go in on the Instagram feed. And I've got this one on as well, which is really cool. But they are actually bathing suits. But the
This is what Amy's life has become. She's like, I need to buy things for the Instagram feed.
I know. It's
who
terrible.
Are you?
It's
who
terrible.
Are you?
I don't know. I don't know who I am. I'm going to Bali to find myself. But this was £6. It does come with little, tiny little like that is on the end of the what the f are they called, Craig? Bikini bottoms, but I didn't buy them because they're tiny. And I've got a bit of, you know, winter chub, which I'm okay with because sometimes I'm all right with being chubby, and that's fine. This, however, is probably my favourite thing that I got. What are you laughing for? Oh my God. I probably did buy it because it says having a whale of a time. And
you do
obviously,
love a whale, don't you?
Whales are my favourite thing. Click to see our whale adventures. But that's cute, no? £5. Put it with high-waisted denim shorts and fanny's your aunt. This is another cute top I got. Just sort of off the shoulder. You just sling it on, Craig.
Oh, it's lush, that.
Like a high-waisted maxi dress, maxi skirt. There's no price on that, but I think it was £4. Same with this one. Just a cute little summer top.
Oh, it's lush, yeah.
Will really enhance your tan. You know, those kind of corally colours that go with it. That was £4 as well.
Bloody bargain.
Thanks very much. Now this is the actual, let me just put it on. I'm gonna have to put it on. This is the bargain of the century. I saw it and I was like, that's me. It's called Amy. It's called Amy. Voila! We're going to Ibiza.
You can wear that when you go out on your own.
Don't you think that that's great though? Like with all the sequins and stuff. I might cut them off.
How many crabs died for that bag?
What do you mean? But yeah, I love a bum bag. So that one was £6. And I also got this one, which is kind of like the similar to, you know, the Gucci one. And I would love to get the Gucci one. It's from Primark, babes. It was £6. It ain't leather. So they're my new, because you're just hands-free then. You haven't got a backpack, you haven't got to take it off, you haven't got a handbag. You just, you know, like you're at a car boot sale. You're just whining and dining. Love it. Next accessory is this gorgeous, unique, vintage flamingo. What is it? Half a cap?
Las Vegas midlife crisis mum hat.
With a lovely bow at the back. It was too much money. It was £4.
£4 for that?
You know, visor, that's what it's called.
It's £1 of flamingo.
Absolutely love it. Love it. That's my fave. I got a different one as well. You're going to love this. I just thought, just go for it, you know? Just stand out from the crowd. Just feel what you're feeling.
Amy's day out.
This is what I was feeling, see?
special.
And that one was also far too much money. It was £4 as well.
Oh my god.
There's a couple of skags on that as well, which I didn't see.
You didn't get any discount on
I was
it.
too excited. I was just like, oh my god, put it in the basket. So these are the absolute bargain of the year. I got these for £1. £1, mate. And now I'm gonna look like a Caribbean queen.
Are they from the home section? You know, like part of the curtains?
No, they're not, Craig. £1. What is it?
£1.
£1 each. I got this belt, which I thought was just lovely. You know, everyone needs that kind of statement, high-waisted belt.
That's a statement.
That's nice, isn't it?
Little mustard.
It was a £5. And you can wear that with anything. I don't like to just, you know, chuck on a black belt. Give it a bit of colour. That'll go, maybe not with this, but with anything, you know? Love it, love it. All right, on to the special stuff, because if you're gonna go on holiday, this is absolutely what you need.
You need some bikinis, don't you?
This, I don't do bikinis. Remember I said about the winter chub? All of that. So we're gonna go for one pieces. This is probably my favourite one that I'm taking, Craig.
Decent, that.
I've got loads from ASOS, some from H&M, TK Maxx, but this was a tenner. Look at the back of it. I mean, don't tan in it, because that'll happen. But I just thought that was beautiful for Primark. Got in a size 10.
Just
got
unreal.
tiny little, you know, boob pads. No nipples. Love it, love it. Carrying on the flamingo
wear
theme.
that with that.
100% going to be worn together
You will as well, won't you?
with the bum bag.
Oh my god.
Let's go on holiday. So this
You are
one,
the ultimate tourist.
this has got a really nice low back, and that one literally was £4. I was like in the changing rooms trying them all. I'm thinking I'm not gonna be able to afford all this, and then I saw it and it was £4. I was like,
How much was
Are
the
you
total
shitting
though
me?
when you got to the till?
it wasn't that much, Craig. These are a must-have in Bali. Got these again. You know, we're going to Bali. Did I mention that?
We're going to Bali, yeah.
You know, neutral ground colours, earthy tones.
Do you get them for the gram, yeah?
I got these for the Instagram, I'm not gonna lie, I know. I can't wear them with this. But yeah, £13 each. They've got like little...
How much?
13?
Jesus
Cheap as
Christ.
chips, I know. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, they're like, you know, mid-calf maxi dresses. You just pop them on and off you go. Happy days. I really like them, I'm glad I found them. I think I'm on to my last purchase, Craig.
No way, that was quite fast for you.
On my locker!
You bought that ages ago.
Shush. This is from Primark. They're still in store. It was about, I think I got it for like £3 actually. It's an elephant.
I thought it was an eel.
And these bits tuck in as well. Oh yeah, this is from Primark. Little coin purse, £2, love that. So you can use it as a little clutch bag as well. I love that. And that's me. That's what I bought.
Okay fellas, don't judge me. This is a Primark haul, but I'm just here to help because I actually found some bloody bargains for your summer holidays. You ready for this? First of all, when you're flying, you need a comfy outfit, don't you?
We're ready, Craig, show them.
So I found these bad boys. I actually bought a pair of these, like they're like Chino joggers.
Gino de Campos.
They're like Chino joggers. I bought a pair on ASOS and they were £25. Found pretty much the same, if not better ones. Primark,
Much.
13 quid.
They're lovely. They've got like a little detail on them as well, haven't they? That kind of
Banging.
texture.
Stretchy as well. Then I got a bunch of t-shirts. Now all of these are pretty much £4. So this is just a regular t-shirt. It's like I think it's a longer length one.
Yeah, Craig's really fussy with t-shirts. So,
Yeah, I am.
And they're decent fit, yeah?
The only thing that I hate about Primark is the sizing. They're just all off. I've got some that are double XL, I've got some that are large, and some that are medium.
So
But
try them on.
Yeah, so try them on, take them to the changing rooms. What colour's that?
Charcoal grey.
Little charcoal number, £4, bargain.
Bagging.
Then I got these like loose fitting ones. This was £4 as well. It's a bit of a scoop neck, but when you're in Bali, it gets quite hot. So these are quite nice, just a loose little t-shirt.
Be able to show you sweat in that, that'll be lush.
Show your cleavage off, innit? £4.
Lovely.
This is 2XL, but it actually fits me quite nice. This one is it's the same cut, £4. Nice little maroon number.
Little cranberry like for Christmas.
Yeah,
Lovely.
for the gram.
For the gram.
This is one of my faves, a little blush number. This is a long line as well, like a tall tee.
Little
And
pink
it's
blush, yeah.
a large, yeah.
It's got like little slits. Well, it's a lower back. It's got a little dip hem at the back. You need to know this lingo if you're going to do a Primark haul with me in the future.
I don't know what I'm talking
It's
about.
like, this is a pink
I'm just
one.
like, here's a t-shirt, here's
That's
a t-shirt.
that one.
Well, I don't know about clothes, do I?
Well, get all gok wang on me now.
Okay, this little powdery blue speckled number
Ooh, I like
has got
it.
a pocket for your passport, some airy holes for your pits,
Yeah, yeah.
and a scoop neck for you, to keep your cleavage cool.
Lovely, £4. Decent.
Look at that! £4. Usually I go out and buy like a branded top or a King one, obviously,
Merch
and
sale.
spend like 25 quid, but that's £4. You could get like 5 for the same price.
I can't stand it these days when they're all just so expensive, but that's what everyone wants, isn't it? And like feelers coming back and less. Loves it. But I can't pay for it. I'd rather just
Shut up,
draw
I'm
it
trying to do
on.
my haul. So this one is like a little, I don't even know how you would describe
That's
it.
nice, I didn't see that.
It's alright, isn't it?
It'd be like a little speckle effect as
Yeah, a
well.
little speckled number. So
That's
this is
lovely.
a large. It's quite like thin as well, so it'll keep you cool when you're in a hot place.
I suppose that's the good thing about them. I know they're cheap, but you kind of want them to be thin as well, don't
Are
you?
you trying to get all in my haul?
Oh God, that won't be a thing.
This one was a £5.
I don't care. Nobody cares.
And then, last but not least, I did buy a bunch of shorts, but I took some back because they were a bit fruity.
He came in, right, with this luminous pink and a luminous purple trousers, shorts, and I was like, what are you doing? Where are they gonna go? You know, we're not putting them on our Instagram. Take them back!
Literally what he said. But the fit was a bit weird, so I ended up with 2 pairs. So these
Don't show everyone your smalls.
little stripy number.
They're lovely. They make me go a bit funny in the eyes.
Show off your quads, innit? So these are good. They don't stretch. Oh, they stretch a little bit, but they're nice and comfy, you know, just out and about in the day and that.
Jumping off waterfalls. I can see it now, Craig.
£4, bargain. And then these, this is what I was saying, I'll go out and buy like expensive vests usually, or like a pair of board shorts that cost sometimes like 50 quid. And they're great, but that's so expensive, isn't it?
Just for one pair, like, yeah.
So these, right, £7. How good are they?
Your little cranberry numbers as well.
I can't wear them together, can I? I'll end up looking like you with your flamingos. So it's got a zip pocket, so if you're out and about, it's got nets for your little...
Are they bathers?
Oh, that's, yeah.
Are they
You
bathers?
can swim in them, yeah.
Alright, don't put your phone in your pocket and forget then.
Yeah,
Jump in the sea.
don't do that.
They're lovely.
£7.
Really
So
nice.
all of that together, don't know how much that is.
It was cheap. Really cheap. Oh, you did really well, babes. There's some lovely colours in there. So if you're going on your holidays this year, I highly recommend that you check out Primark. This video is no way endorsed by Primark, even though it should be. Primark. What are you saying?
So that is it. Hopefully you can go in there and find yourself some bargains if you're going on holidays. Because it is pretty decent. It used to be shit back in the day, didn't it?
Primark used to be whack, yeah. They must have got like a new buyer or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to us. Obviously we're not a fashion channel, but we do go travelling and we do like a bit of fashion, don't we?
Oh, we love
Like,
the
apologies for what
fashion.
Craig's wearing today, but he's usually bang on it.
So that is it. If you're brand new, like Amy said, press subscribe, press the little bell so you get notifications.
And if you're not new, guys, then thanks so much for watching. Let us know below if you like this, or if you're like, guys, what the hell are you doing? You are not fashion bloggers, all right? Stick with the travel. Let us know, okay? And always remember, no matter who you are, what you do, where you live, rule your own world.
1, 2, 3.
Bye.